You know, Nick, we know your story. In 2007, you were severely wounded by a dual rocket blast there in Iraq. When you returned, you know, the daily challenges are there, but you're tough, you push through it. And when you found Abel, you thought, wow, what a great buddy to really get me through some tough times. But training Abel, you know, really put in front of you some challenges financially, which is where...
You know, people are like, send the troops, send the troops, send the troops, right? You come back and everybody's like, oh, we're a nonprofit to help you out, but we're not going to help you out with anything.
Rachel Mennett lives in Summerville, South Carolina, and wanted to help Nicholas Baley. Her brother told her the 12-year Army vet was severely wounded in Iraq and has a wonderful dog named Abel that needs some special training. So last Saturday, Rachel set up a lemonade stand at a local pet store to raise money to help Abel become a certified service dog.
For me, it's just amazing that an 8-year-old girl would show any interest in me or my dog. I'm sorry. We've hit many brick walls trying to go through trainers who, you know, once I got the dog back, the dog was just exactly the same as the dog was before he left. Sometimes even worse. You were right here, huh? Yeah. Wow, you got here quick. Yeah. Look at that. That's amazing. So this is Abel. Yeah. Abel. Here. Let's go. Here.
Nice motivator in there, good boy, doing everything right. Exactly what I like. It's good verbal communication. Very nice, Nicholas. You don't need to be mean about it, you don't need to be rude about it, you don't need to be crazy about it, you don't need to start yelling at your dog. Those are all the wrong things to do.